channel. Go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, gang, Poppy here. This is the second of my hashtag shop made tools for 2021. Let me get ready here. Usually I wouldn't use a shop made tool for brushing my hair, but you see this, your 99-cent hairbrush, old wooden paintbrush handle, cheap one. Now that is a very useful tool. Good night from California. Stay safe. Hey, start wearing gloves when you go out normally. It's a dirty world. Think about it.